As you've seen from the title of this video and by the thumbnail, today I'm going to do some 0 to 60 pulls. My car is a 2009 manual transmission 370Z Sport Edition. It has no power mods at all. It's a 100,000 mile vehicle. You can see that right there. Let's get to the spot and let's do a couple pulls. I'm now going to be switching to my helmet cam so I could have my hands free. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. I have a ton of drifting videos, reviews of cars, and tutorials, especially for the 370Z. So have a good rest of your day.